Hi, long time no see. Today I'm taking you on a journey through the design evolution of Xbox consoles. From the raw and powerful Xbox Classic, to the iconic Xbox 360, all the way up to the minimalist Xbox Series S. And then we'll move on to something much more interesting. We're going to design a completely new approach to Xbox. Let's start from the beginning. The original Xbox released in 2001 was a console that was meant to scream one thing: power! Big, heavy and aggressive in design, but in reality, its size was defined by the hardware inside. The Xbox Classic was actually a PC built to run DirectX. Then came the Xbox 360, and this is where Microsoft made a major shift. Instead of bulk, slimness. Instead of aggression, elegance and curves. A slightly concave body, white finish and the iconic glowing green LED. This was the moment where a console became more than just hardware. It became something that you wanted to display next to your TV, not hide inside the cabinet. The Xbox 360 was a huge success compared to the original Xbox, which in many ways feels like a proof of concept. The next generation, Xbox One, shifted towards simplicity. Large, rectangular and conservative. But the real visual breakthrough came with Xbox Series S and Series X. Minimalism in its purest form. This is no longer a device that shouts. It blends into the environment. Okay, let's design this. Straight to 3D software. I really like the current design, so that will be our base, but with a little twist. Let's add some curves, which will open up design at the corners. I will add some dimension to the basic cube shape. First of all, my old 3D printer was slowly dying, so the main case didn't print properly. Secondly, I originally planned to laser cut the side panels, but somehow the price skyrocketed. For 6 panels the quote were over $100. Then I decided to try 3D print them instead, but the 15 years old printer causes several wrapping. I even tried heating the panels to relieve the stress in the material and flatten them, but that turned into a completely mess. Luckily, I eventually found a laser cutting shop that made all the panels for just $10. Almost perfect, but not quite. After some time, they finally cut them correctly. After buying a new 3D printer, I've printed an inner chassis and started assembling everything. Glue and double-sided tape are the weapon of choice of every maker, and also of most phone companies. What's more, with tape I have time to adjust position. The fan underneath the grill looks simply awesome. And here it is. Xbox, Project, Helix, Series S, probably Microsoft gonna call it like that. There is a lot of space here, so I've been using TV stick for streaming from Game Pass or other services. Also, you can put inside Apple TV or different mini PC. So I hope you like it. See you next time. Like and subscribe or leave a comment. That's gonna be great. And bye.